is craving for it, we will order it. And here they have salted egg. Facility looks inside. See? This is how it looks like.
Gusto mo bigyan sa puto bongbong?
Pwede, puto bongbong. But this only display, okay, guys?
This is only, this is not the real one.
Yeah, this only display. This is the prices. If you want to order it here, you can also order it ahead of time. They accept Maya and Gcash. The small size bibingka.
Mas maganda. Bigyan mo din ng niyog, separate ha.
Nakaseparate na yan.
Nasaan yung ganito? Magkano yung ganito?
95 po.
Sige, isa. Separate din yung
95 for the puto bongbong. So this is the sample. See, preparing the puto bongbong. It's in the banana leaf.
Kaya ang din ako main office na nila.
Sa Kalayaan po na. Pero ito po yung pinatao ng...
Matagal na kayo dito, tagal na. Meron pa yata kayo sa boda billion trip.